Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make these special cookies for Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy. First off, let's start with a cup of butter or 2 sticks in a pan on medium to high heat. Now this method is called browning, and what you'll want to do is continue to stir until your butter turns into a nice hue of brown. If you stop stirring for even a second, it will explode. Once it's brown, set it to the side and turn the stovetop off. Now let's dump every ingredient into a bowl. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of white sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, make sure to crack them right. Don't want any eggshells in there. And hey, look at that, the brown butter from earlier. Make sure to scoop the sides to get every little drop. And there we go. And now the fun part, mixing. In fact, I'm having so much fun until I break my rubber spatula. Fuck my life. Luckily, I have a metal spoon. And now, we're done. Let's put this bad boy in the fridge for 1 hour. Been long enough. Now hopefully you have a heart-shaped cookie cutter to easily mold the cookies. Otherwise, this is going to be a bit more difficult. So one by one, press down cookie dough until you get 6 heart-shaped cookies. You're going to want to preheat the oven to 350. Once it reaches 350, put your pan in the oven for 8 minutes or until the edges of the cookie are golden. While we wait, we can enjoy a little romance. Shit. Alright, let's pull these guys out. Look how they turned out. Onto the plate you go. Now we're going to melt some chocolate. I recommend semi-sweet or dark. 15 seconds into the microwave. After, stir. And then repeat until it is fully melted. Now spread a thin layer of chocolate onto the cookies. Now time to add the secret ingredient, love. However, if you're like me, in which you don't have any love, don't worry, I have substitutes for that. First, we're going to spread some dark chocolate, add a little of that caramel drizzle, and to top it all off, that salt left between you and your ex. I'm going to let this chill in the fridge for a little bit so the chocolate isn't as melted. And now we're going to repeat the decorating process several times until we get a nice big plate of cookies. I hope you, or if you have a partner, I hope y'all enjoy.